Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can successfully crossbreed your flowers in Heartopia. So basically, you will need to wait for your flowers to mature until they reach the stage. Don't pick it, don't harvest it, but you're going to water them again. You'll see these like little stars next to them. There's only one star, but they like twinkle in different places. So you will need to get like four friends ish, 4 to 5 friends. I actually don't remember. I think my friend said five. But basically, once your friend waters your flowers, you'll see a little small petal next to it. You'll see one single petal next to it. And when another friend um waters your flowers, you'll see two, and then you'll see three and four and whatnot. Then you would have successfully crossbreed your flowers, and you'll see these, like, I'll insert a picture, these little like seedlings on top, and that's when you know you successfully crossbreed your flowers. I can't talk apparently today, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!